Well, greetings all and welcome. We are coming at you from my quartzsite camp. It is a warm, beautiful day today. The sun is out. It has been in the mid-70s, just wild for the middle of January. But anyway, this is just going to be a short video for anyone that is in Quartzsite, Arizona. I have some stuff for sale. I feel like I'm going to be giving away for a very, very low price. So if you're interested, I've got a short list here of what I've got, and we can work out a meetup and I can get this stuff to you. So starting out, what I have first here is this Blue Eddy power station. I have two of these. I used this as a backup all last summer, so it did ride around in the AdventureVan with me, so it has some scuffing on it, but it's really like new. It was only cycled twice. I use it as a backup, and I just don't need it anymore. And I have the Charger 1 DC to DC charger that I'll put those together. That's new in the box. It hasn't even been opened. The Blue Eddy power station has all the paperwork and cords that come with it. I'm asking $400 for the both of them, the power station and the DC to DC charger. The power station is the Elite 200 V2. It has a 2,600 watt inverter, 2,073 watt hours. It's a very good power station. I have one in the AdventureVan that I'm going to continue to use. Highly recommend them. I want to get $400 for the both of them, the power station and the DC to DC charger. Feel like it's a very good price. They're normally about $1,000. Sometimes they'll go on sale for as low as $799, so you can get it for pretty much half price, and it's near new. So I got that for sale there, $400. I also have this Fireside Outdoors pop-up fire pit. These are very cool. It's all aluminum. It folds up into this little bag here. It's a nice portable fire pit. I've used this quite a bit, so it's got some charring on it, but it's in very good condition. These go for a good $100. I'm trying to get $20 for it. I also have this ENO lounger chair. This is a super comfortable chair. The brand is ENO, Eagle's Nest Outfitters. These go for about $150 new. I'm going to sell it for $40. I have a little footstool here that I usually pair with it. I'll sell that. That's actually like a tripod seat, but I use it as a footstool. Sell that for $10 or $50 to include it with the chair. Let's see, I've got this other solar panel here. This is an IceCo 80 watt solar panel, and it's got a little battery here. This is meant to be like a backup battery for your fridge. It's got a 12 volt cigarette lighter output, USB-A, USB-C. The panel plugs right into it. It's a nice little combo. I'll sell that for $20. It's a very, very good price. I also have one of these hydraulic wire crimpers. This is for large gauge wire crimping for setting up a solar panel system. Sell that for $20. I have a Harbor Freight 1.5 ton aluminum jack. That's the low profile one. I'll sell that for $20 as well. Telescoping ladder. I believe that is the 12 foot. Sell that for $20. And that's what I got. So anyone that's interested, hit me up. I am in Quartzsite for at least the next couple weeks. You can contact me at awaywego.avm@gmail.com. Again, that's awaywego.avm@gmail.com. And we can work out a meetup location if you're interested in any of these items. So this is just a short, quick video to advertise those things. I'll be bringing you updates on the box fan here very shortly, and we'll get back to finishing up the build on the Astro. And then we'll be back to our normally scheduled content. Hope you're all doing well out there. We'll see you soon on the next one. Take care. Peace.